Hi, it's Andres Sarmiento here. I wanted to create this short bonus video, and this is actually gonna be some troubleshooting that I have to do on my environment. I actually let me close this stuff, but really I just have two switches that are connected on a trunk. One of them it's holding on my CCI collaboration equipment, and the other one is holding on my phones. So what I want to do is remove that trunk and make it a layer 3 interface. So I think this is gonna be the one. Interface speed 0.4. Okay. And give me 1 second. And sorry for the quick pause. I actually had to look for my console and secure CRT. Okay, so we have the 3750, the gig one, and then we have that one queue. We have a trunk, and then here we have our core switch. Actually no, this is the extension, the other one was the core. So I'm thinking that I'm having issues because of the configuration on the Q and Q ports. So I don't want to remove that, but I do want to create a new side-to-side IP in this guy. Okay, so really easy. I just created a quick diagram here in OmniGraffle. So here's my core 3750, and here is my extension 3750. And really what I wanted to do is, instead of having a trunk link between these two guys, I want to have a routed interface. So okay, so we're gonna start on this guy. No switchboard, and then we're gonna say IP address, then the 253, 101, 255, 255, 255, 252. Okay, and now we're gonna come here, and we're gonna go to no switchboard. This is going to be 10, 253, 1, 2, 252. The show IP interface brief. They have 10 to 53 on the 2. And if you want to see if we have connectivity to the other side, we do. Okay. Let's try the same thing here. 253. Okay, we do have connectivity. Now I want to see show IP routes. Okay, it's directly connected. And then I want to see if my EIGRP will include it. Yeah, I'm including everything. Show IP EIGRP interfaces will tell me. Yeah, it's 024. Show IP EIGRP interfaces, and I have fast 103. I guess we're good there. So I'm gonna save the changes. Save the changes here. And now notice that on this guy I do have some VLANs that were from the other side. So first I wanna see short run interface gig 024. Okay. So all the old configuration was removed. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and remove from this guy. Oh, let me see that I can ping it from my computer. Ping 10 to 53. That one. Yeah, I can get to it. And that one too. And no, I cannot get to this guy. Okay, it's directly connected. Let me see if the other devices have it. It's killing me. I think it's a routing issue. Oh, okay, so the problem here is this guy is still using VLAN 250, so we need to do no interface VLAN 250. Okay. Now it's gonna bring down the adjacency on VLAN 250. Okay. And if everything works fine, we're gonna be able to bring it. And sure enough. Okay, so one of the reasons why I didn't want it to do this is because I do have a phone connected to the switch that needs to have access to a CME that I have on the rack. So let's see what's the status on this guy. So if I dial out to the internet, I'm not gonna be able to make it. So I'm gonna need to create a VLAN interface here. Oh, wait a minute then. I want to remove show VLAN free if I want to remove the other VLANs, which I don't need. And I'm going to keep only a 3001 through 3006. Okay, so we only have VLAN 1. And as you may know already, VLAN 1 is a bad thing. So we're going to create a new VLAN interface for this guy, and it's going to be, I don't know, 900, why not? Description, and this is gonna be no description. Now we're gonna do 10, 1, up to 52, 1. I'm creating actually a VLAN an interface or an IP address that doesn't exist in the other side. Okay. And I should see an adjacency in this guy as soon as we create the VLAN 900. I'm gonna name it local VLAN. And I'll show CDP neighbors. I'm gonna see this guy. Show CDP entry. I'm gonna see this guy still has a 10.1.200.101 IP address. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off and see what it does. Shots. No shots. So I know what it's gonna do. It's not gonna be able to find TFTP server, and the TFTP server is here on my PC520. Show IP interface brief, assign, and it's 10.100. Actually, no, it's 10.1.201. Sure, we do have the ATP for phones. Okay, so we're gonna create a new one. This one's gonna be 252 network. Router, it's gonna be the 252. That's gonna be the router. Option 150 is still gonna be 10.1.200.1. DNS server, let's put another one. Why not? And now let's make sure we can reach 10.100, 10.1.200.1 from this interface. From VLAN 200. Ping 10.1.200.1 source. Okay. So now we have a routing issue. Show IP route 10.1.200.1. And then we see that we have a route here. So I think the problem is gonna be on the UC520. 10.1.252. That one. Okay, yeah. He's not able to reach it. Try IP route 10.1.252.1. Subnet mapping table. See what we have here. And then we see that we have 10.1.100.1. It's our default route. So on the 3750, can we ping it? Sure enough, not. So I think VLAN 250 doesn't exist. And then I have VLAN 900. Show run include router. stop connected somewhere. Ten to 53 on that one. Okay, why not? Then that one that 252. Okay, so the problem is that the VLAN 900 is down. Okay, where's my phone? Okay, my phone is on this guy, show run interface, that guy. And we're gonna change this. And actually what I'm gonna do, I don't have a voice VLAN configured here. And I'm not gonna create one, so and it's gonna come up. Okay, so should be able to ping it. Ping 10, 1, 252, 1. Sure enough, what about from the UC 520? Of course, I'm not gonna see it, but I'm gonna ping to it and I'm gonna get a reply. And what about from the extension? Ping 10, 1, 200, 1. And now source from 10, 1, 252, 1. And sure enough, I get a response. Okay, so let's continue with our DHCP phones. 10.1, 254, 252.0. Default router 10.1, 254.1. Option 150 is 10.1, 200.1 on my name. It looks good for now. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna do this because I wanna do it right. Interface VLAN 910 10 1 251 1. That's it. VLAN 910 name voice. Interface V1024. Voice VLAN 910. I should be able to see that on my interface is 910. Let's see how fast that happened. Yep. Now we're gonna do ping to 10.1 source to 51.1. Okay. So hopefully the phone is gonna get this. The show IP TCP binding. Okay, I don't like that. IP DHCP excluded addresses 10.1, 251 0 to 10.1, 251 I don't know, 10. Okay, so the phone is going through the registration. Hopefully we'll see it registered to the UC520. Now let's do a shot, no shots. Show ATP findings. And then I wanna do clear IP ATP findings. And I wanna do that. I shouldn't see anything, but I'm seeing the phone coming up. I'm gonna pause it real quick until the phone comes up. Okay, so the phone is coming up and it looks like it's gonna take a very long time. So let me see, what are the changes that we did? So we created a routed interface between this switch and the other 3750, and the reason why I did that was because I was having a lot of issues connecting back to this guy, and the reason that I didn't want to do this was because I was gonna have problems with my phone, which I'm having right now. So anyways, I'm gonna move on this, and then we're gonna go ahead and troubleshoot that separately. Hopefully phone is coming back. Okay, and I guess that's all for this video. Really thank you for watching the whole thing, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.